Hi everyone, how have you been? I'm painting the highlights right now on this artwork. You can see I took this image from Google and I'm just doing this casually. And I wanted to share this with you how to paint highlights. I mean, why not? Highlights are a very important thing if you're working on a composite or something. But before that, let's understand how highlights actually work. So here, take this example. I created a ground with a rectangle. Then I placed a ball on the ground. Well, it's a circle, but we have to make it look like a real wall. So let's add a light source in the image. Wait, what is that? Guys, don't be judgmental, this is just for demonstration. Now to make this light look real, the ball needs a shadow. There you go. Now pay some attention. The light source is on the right side. I mean, on the top right side. The highlights should also be on the right side of the ball with the same angle as from the angle the light is coming from. You can't paint the highlights on this side because that makes no sense. You got the point? The light source is on the right side. Well, it can definitely be anywhere in your image, but take this. The angle of light should be in your consideration while you are painting the highlights. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Like this. This is what we call highlights. Now let's get back to the artwork. Well, I don't want to waste your time with this boring thing. Allow me to finish this so I can show you the results. And this is it, guys, the final result. This was before and here's the after. Look how much of a difference highlights can make. And that was it. I hope you found this video helpful, so give it a like and subscribe the channel for more stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Maybe I should've known that it ain't